Welcome to week 8 of the course Learning Experiences. This week, we will learn about video conference tools. With video conference tools, teachers can bring live experiences directly into the classroom. These are just a few of the things that you can do with video conference technology. The first one, virtual field trips. For times when budget issues or lack of time make real travel impractical, video conference can fill the gap by taking the students on the field trip. Number 2, visits from experts. Inviting experts to visit classrooms through video allows for an interactive experience for students with people skilled in the field being discussed. Specialists often have busy schedules, and video conferencing can reduce the time and expense of travel and simplify a visit from a subject matter expert by projecting him or her directly into the classroom from anywhere. Number 3, all class included. Students who live in rural areas may miss out on many opportunities due to the distance they must commute. Connecting rural students through video conferencing gives some students the opportunity to be involved in the class from their homes. Number 4, students abroad. Students are curious about the world around them and people in other countries. Connecting with other classrooms in countries all over the world allows students to understand and work with geographically distant cultures. Students with this opportunity will likely be better world citizens. Number 5, save lessons and meetings. When a student misses a class due to absence or wants to review the content again, video conference recording and archiving tools can be used for playback in order to teach or reinforce a lesson. 6, students at work. Mobile and remote working practices are becoming increasingly popular. By bringing video conferencing into the classroom, teachers can familiarize students with this technology and get them ready for the workplace. Some disadvantages are usually related to internet bandwidth, which can cause loss of signal and connectivity issues. There can also be problems with the sound and speech, as it may get delayed as the conferences goes. Finally, other technical problems due to hardware or software conditions can cause interruptions to disconnect or not connect at all. As a conclusion, video conference tools can reduce costs of transportation and working hours. It can also permit an efficient use of time. It can also permit an effective collaboration between students and teachers. And finally, it can allow learning from anywhere at any time. Some of the most common examples of video conference tools are SKYPE video conference tool, Google Hangouts, Zoom, and Join Me. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.